Audacity Setup. We are going to, guess what, set up Audacity. So there are a few settings that I read about. I don't know if they're the best, the smartest, the end-all be-all, but this is how I have my setup set up. So before I start anything, here is a blank Audacity world. I want to make sure I have the correct microphone. So not that one, not that. That's my headset. That's the built-in mic. This is my ATR USB microphone. Yay. This sounds odd, mono and stereo. I would think stereo, but nope, they want mono. I have heard podcasts where there are two people talking and one person's in one ear, one person's in the other ear, and it sounds very high tech, but it's kind of annoying. So I finally agree that it's mono. The output, this is how you're listening, and I want to hear it right in my ears. So I don't want to hear it playing back on my computer speakers or on my screen or something. This is my my headset. Then I want to go down to the project rate. This is probably going to be at 44,100. Leave it on there. And there's one more thing here in preferences. Meter waveform. There we go. It's the an interface, and I'm on a Mac, but Mac or PC, so find interface or meter waveform dB range. So here, meter dB range minus 60 dB, and we're supposed to have minus 96 range of 16-bit samples. I have no idea what any of that stuff means, but I'm just going to go with the flow. There we go. Okay. I like to make sure the microphone's working first before I do anything. So I'm going to do record, and I'm going to see it there. And there's my new track, and we are already recording. So, and I can see the levels going up and down. So I'm going to stop, and I'm going to do playback, and my playback is in my ears, but I'm going to make it here so that it records. Not that one. I think it's that one. And I'm going to see it there. And there's my new track. And we are already... Okay, I can hear it in my little mini speakers over there on my computer. So it sounds like it's working. So that is the correct setup. And then I would delete that track. Don't want that track. I would do a new mono track. And then I'd be ready to roll.